It looks better. Also, don't look good, y'all.
It does, but it looks like you've been practicing.
No, I haven't. I used a freaking stencil.
Oh my gosh.
Okay, so this is how it's going to go. I promise I'm not reneging on anything. As the true Gemini I am, I just came to, you know, an epiphany. I know I've only been doing this for like about a month, but I can't keep doing this natural hair thing. Like, I have to activate my baddie, you know, the baddie inside of me. I have to activate her. And like, don't get me wrong, I'm pretty, I'm beautiful. But the baddie has been hiding because I really don't know how to work with my hair, and like, I'm running out of stuff, you know? I'm too indecisive, too all over the place, and my hair is how I express myself, so I'm gonna keep expressing myself. But hair health is always my first concern. So I decided that, you know, to keep the deep conditioning going, I'm going to make sure that I deep condition while practicing makeup, because that's something else that I need to learn how to do to activate my true baddie. So let's get into it. Okay, so you guys, while I'm deep conditioning, you know, curls for the girls, because I'm definitely doing a protective style. Well, it's not a protective style. I'm doing a really cute style, and I need my hair to be good up under it. But anyways, today's product is Ardell Professional. While I'm deep conditioning, might as well practice makeup. I already said that, I know. I have a very hard time with my eyebrows. I don't even know if this is really gonna help me with what I have an issue with, but we're going to see. So, ooh, I broke it. So, I think for me personally, I probably should have went with like the one that goes like this and it's a band. But hey, this is like $4, so we're gonna practice. I have 4 different things. So we have first glamorous. Can you guys see? First glamorous. Second elegant. Third classic. Y'all gonna keep seeing my head poke, sorry. And then fourth, delicate. So I really don't know how this works. I'm gonna just try my best. What the heck? It's like in the way. Hold on. It's like on my eye. Like, do I have to? Let me use one that I don't really care for. I think I have to cut it. I'm a classic man. Nah, I'm not gonna do classic. I'm gonna do glamorous because I'm just not. I don't think I'm gonna be doing anything glammy for a minute. Can you guys see me? Y'all can't even see me. Can you see me now? I'm so used to doing my hair and not my makeup, so like. But okay, so it's really disturbing my eye. And then how do I? Oh gosh, this is gonna be tricky. Okay, so, but yeah, I just basically came to the conclusion, brush, okay. I'm going to be using the top brow today by Professional Kiss New York. Thank you, Tiara, for recommending this. Okay, so I think I'm supposed to still, oh, the redirections, right? Application, use both hands to line stencil up with the natural shape of your brow. My natural shape is straight, so yeah. Paying particular attention to the inner edge of brow and highest point of arch. Using one hand, hold stencil in place with your thumb and index finger. Using a brow pencil in the other hand, use light strokes in the same direction of your hair growth to fill in brows. For the other brow, turn stencil over and repeat. Okay, so you guys heard them. So I see all the girlies doing this, so I'm gonna do that. You would think that before I use stuff, I would like go search. I usually search like after I see it didn't work. Ooh, okay. Yeah. Okay, which eye do I want to try first? I'm gonna start with my left. Okay. So like, what do I do if like my eyebrow is what's it called? My eyebrow is like outside of the little thing. I'm gonna definitely cut this because it's irritating my eye. Ooh, this is really gonna irritate my eye if it's touching it. Okay, that's better. Innovative. Okay, so okay. Yeah, I hope this. Here, y'all come down with me. Okay. I hope this is what. Oh shoot. Oh no, that was right. Okay. Wait, wasn't it right? Oh yeah. Okay. So, can you guys see me? I be feeling like y'all really can't see me. I don't like that. Okay, we're just gonna keep y'all right here. That was so mean. Knocking all my stuff down, rude. Okay. So yeah, I'm done. Like, I don't even know what I'm using. I'm done not being a baddie, okay? I'm tired of coming on here looking any kind of way. Not saying that my natural hair makes me look that way, but don't know how to do makeup. Y'all see my face, picks and choose when it wants to act right. So it's like the only way I can really express the badness is with my hair. And me personally, because of Corona and stuff like that, I activate my badness with my hair over my outfits because it's like, where am I going? And I know I probably should get that mentality out of my mind because it's like, wherever you're going is where you're going and everybody needs to see it, you know? But I want to just start with my hair first. Okay, so, well no, well yeah, I don't know. I'm trying to do both. Okay, so I probably should have put testing 1 2 3 and take number 85.
Action!
I does. Shouldn't you get the freaking stuff on there first? The ones I saw online were like way easier. So like if I kind of like this, even if it doesn't go the way I'm intending it to go, I'm gonna get the other one. Cause the other one, this kind of makes me look like I have an arch. The other one was like straight across, you know? Okay. I'm scared. Okay. Okay, light strokes. Maybe I should go a little. Okay. Oh shoot. Okay, so how do you guys work this thing? Okay, light strokes. Yeah, I can barely see.
I'm legally blind, I can see, barely.
And I don't think this was light. Like that one big burnt mark right here, that was just it. I think I'm brushing correctly though. Like, I like the way I'm kind of doing something, you know? Should I lift it up? Y'all think I'm ready? I don't know. Okay, keep going. So like, yeah, like, if you guys can comment below if you see this and you actually know how to do this, or if you're like a master with the stencil, like, what do I do with the hair that's like, oh, wow. Okay. Y'all, hold on. I gotta call my friend. Hold on 1 second. Oh my god. Wait, let me brush it out first so she thinks that I did it. Y'all. I mean, it might not look much like much to you guys, but it's like a lot to me. Yeah, when I call her, she's gonna be like, what? Hold on. This was, I think I did. I mean, I don't really know what it's supposed to look like, but this looks way better than what I usually do. Like, I'm gonna show you guys the stencil. I'm gonna show you guys what I usually do, and you're gonna see a big difference. Hey, are you busy? You're driving. Okay, never mind.
No, I'm not busy, but I.
Hold on, I'm on YouTube.
I can't say the what's that.
Oh, I mean, if you want it on camera, I'll cut it out. Yeah, I called you for YouTube purposes. That's why. She was like, no, I was trying to show you my eyebrow that I just did. But you're driving. You gotta wait till you stop.
Can you not see me?
I can see you. That's why I said you gotta wait till you stop. Girl, I did my eyebrow, bitch. I did it. I can't say that word, but I did it. You're gonna be so proud of me, I think. I mean, because it looks like...
It looks good. Let me see it again. I'm gonna stop sign. Stop waiting.
Okay.
Yeah, it looks better.
It looks better. Also, don't look good, y'all.
It does, but it looks like you've been practicing.
No, I haven't. I used a freaking stencil.
Oh my gosh.
Yay! Okay, love you. I'll call you back. Oh, wait, hold on. No, you can talk. Hold on 1 second. Hold on, you guys.
Okay, so now I'm attempting to do my I mean, both of those are my real eyebrows. But I'm attempting to do my eyebrow by myself. Y'all, don't judge me. Help me. You guys see I'm struggling. But I mean, I kind of honestly, no lie, I don't know if it's because I was filming, but I did this way better than what I usually do. Like, I don't know. I'm heavy-handed on my face, I'm guessing. I don't know what it is. But, yeah, your girl needs help. So, again, don't judge me. Just help me. But follow along with my process.
Okay, so you guys see, it's like not giving. This looks beautiful. I mean, I probably would go with a different style, but like this looks like, wow. Like this one looks like, okay. This one looks like, So I recommend these. Definitely, since, I mean, did I do really bad? I think I did. I recommend these. I like the fact that I didn't have to outline, because outlining my straight brow is just too much for me. I'm definitely going to practice with these a lot more, and then probably advance to the little strap, because I feel like I deserve it. Because I'm gonna learn how to do my makeup. It's the eyebrows stopping me. I promise y'all. Like, it's no excuse. It's the eyebrows. So yeah. So that is what we're doing on this channel. I basically told myself that I'm not like limiting myself. If I want to wear weave, I'm gonna wear weave. If I want to bring my natural hair out, I'm gonna bring my natural hair out. The only difference is I'm gonna make sure that I keep, y'all might be looking like, why is she talking to us with these different eyebrows? My fault. But I'm just gonna keep like the rhythm going. Like, you know, like I'm gonna make sure I weekly deep condition my hair, which would in turn help me, you know, do my face. So I'm pretty excited. Like I'm ready for this journey. Don't knock me. I mean, if you want to knock me, you can knock me. It's okay. Like, basically the way I am and the way I do things is I have an idea and I try to, you know, execute it. And if it doesn't work, then I'm not going to just sit there and keep doing something that does not work for me. Me doing my natural hair just was not working for me. It did increase growth because I was actually taking care of it, but I just wasn't feeling myself, and that's not good for my mental health. It's just not, for me personally, it's just not good for my mental health. Like, my hair's not thick enough for certain styles, it's not long enough for certain styles. It just wasn't for me. So like, yeah, I love my natural hair, and I'm gonna make sure I keep it flourishing and keep you guys updated on my big shots and stuff. But yeah, I'm bringing the weave back. I know it was only a month, but I don't even think it was a month. Yeah, but your girl's back, so thank you. Make sure you like, make sure you comment, make sure you subscribe, and yeah, like let's get back into it. Bye, you guys. Oh, and if you guys have any recommendations of hairstyles, makeup hacks, like let me know. Let me know. We are about to enter the stage of baddie together. So bye.